Hello, Eugene here with Ionic DeZign Studios, just bringing you a tip that may help in some of your planning processes. So many times clients come to us with renovation projects where we take an existing older building and convert it to a new use. Many times it is a completely different use than it was previously planned for. There are a huge amount of coordination issues that need to take place, especially when it comes to code research, making sure that the building as designed originally can accommodate the new scope that's going to go into the space, especially with construction types and details, firewalls, sprinkler systems that may not always apply where it was originally designed to what we're going in with. So make sure you reach out to an architect that is familiar with these code requirements and these details that are necessary before you commit to a space if you're leasing it or purchasing it. Do a little bit of research and beforehand, just make sure you're able to do all of those things that you're trying to set out with. Hopefully we can help. If there's any other questions, please reach out to us and let us know how we can be of assistance. Eugene Thompson with Ionic DeZign Studios. Have a great day. Bye-bye.